Have you ever felt terrible, but didn't want to say you felt terrible?
Yeah, like you're not okay, but you don't want to explain why.
Today, we're going to learn how to say that in a natural way.
Grab your coffee, stay with us, and take a listen.
English over coffee. Take a sip. Come talk with me. Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.
Good morning. Welcome to English Over Coffee.
I am Sophia.
And I am Daniel. I own this cafe here in Cape Cod.
Every week, we sit down with a cup of coffee and talk. Just the two of us.
And you, of course.
We talk about real English, the kind you hear in everyday life.
Expressions, words, the small things that make a big difference.
If you are new here, welcome. Pull up a chair.
And if you were back, thank you. We saved your seat.
Today, we have a great one for you.
Stay with us. Have you ever felt terrible, but did not want to say you felt terrible?
There is a perfect expression in English for exactly that feeling.
And by the end of this episode, you will know how to use it naturally.
Let us get started.
Sophia, you are back.
I am back. Finally.
I missed you here. It was not the same without you. Can I get you your usual?
Please, yes, thank you, Daniel.
Here you go. So, what happened? You were not here for 3 days.
I was not feeling well. Nothing serious, but I just needed to rest.
Ah, you were under the weather.
Yes, exactly. Under the weather.
Do you know that expression, under the weather?
I do now, but when I first heard it, I had no idea what it meant.
It sounds a little strange, right? Under the weather?
It does. I thought, what does the weather have to do with feeling sick?
No one knows exactly where it comes from, but people have been saying it for a very long time. It just means you are not feeling well. You are sick. You are tired. You are not at your best.
Not at your best. I like that.
And here is something interesting. You can use it for more than just being sick.
Really?
Yes, if you are sad, if you are stressed, if you are just having a hard day, you can say you are feeling under the weather.
So I can say, I did not sleep well last night. I am feeling a little under the weather today.
Perfect. Exactly like that.
Or, I think I am getting sick. I have been feeling under the weather since Monday.
Yes, very natural, very common.
I like this expression. It is soft, it is not dramatic. You are not saying, I am very sick. You are just saying, I am not at my best right now.
And that is very useful. It gives people information, but it is also polite. You are not complaining, you are just explaining.
Americans are very good at that.
At what?
Saying things that are honest, but also light, not too heavy.
I never thought about it that way, but you might be right.
Now, a question for everyone watching. Think about this week. Have you been feeling a little under the weather? Maybe tired, maybe stressed, maybe just not at your best? Write it in the comments. Tell us. We want to know.
And we read every single comment.
When you are under the weather, what do? Do you rest? Do you keep working?
I keep working. I have a cafe to run.
That does not surprise me at all.
But I do make myself a very good cup of coffee. And I slow down a little. I do not try to do everything at once.
That is actually very good advice.
What about you?
I sleep. I drink tea. I watch something easy on television. And I wait.
And it works?
It always works. The body knows what it needs.
That is true. Sometimes the best thing you can do is just stop.
Yes, just stop and let yourself be a little under the weather for a while.
And then come back.
And then come back. like today.
I am glad you are back, Sophia.
Me too, Daniel. Me too.
Okay, everyone. The expression today was under the weather. It means you are not feeling well, sick, tired, or just not at your best.
You can use it for your body or for how you feel inside. It is soft, polite, and very common in real conversations.
Try it this week. Next time someone asks how you are and you are not feeling great, say it. I am feeling a little under the weather today.
And come back next week, because Daniel and I have been talking, and next week's expression is one that everyone uses, but almost no one uses correctly.
It is gonna be a good one.
Same cafe, same coffee, same table.
Take care of yourselves, everyone.
See you soon.
Learn a little every day. Stay a while and feel carefree.